Hi guys, today I'm going Lego plane spotting at Lego International Airport. We have a Delta A320 coming in to land. That was a wonderful landing done by Delta. Next we have a 737 for Ryanair coming in. Off. That was a hard landing. Next a Delta A330 coming in.
Why did they not butter it?
That was so bad it made one of my kidneys fail. Ouch. Giorgio.
Why so many hard landings? Anyways, let's go to the other side of the runway. Alright, we are at the other side of the runway. There's the plane that just landed. Now we have a small warplane coming in. Oh my god, did they just crash? Oh my god, we need to see if they're okay. Are you okay, mate?
I'm fine.
Okay. Let's get away before it catches on fire.
Okay.
Okay guys, I must stop the video now. Bye.